Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I finally got it. Finally. After almost more than a month, I got this baby. The Stormbreaker from Ponage. So we're going to do two unboxings. One of them is the position mount pad itself and the mouse. So we're going to start with the mouse pad first, and then the second part of the video and the last will be the mouse itself. Not going to tell you what color it is, but let's get going. So the mouse pad itself, let's flip this over. Actually, let me put the camera right here. Actually, let me get the keyboard out of the way. Sorry, my hand is blocking the lens. This right there, perfect. Now I got this mouse first, the mouse pad first. Then I got the mouse today. So this been okay. Let's continue. So it comes with a lot of different color options for this mouse pad. You can go black, mint, or pink, or red. I go with red, of course. Ooh. So red as the base, and the outside of it, the perimeter, is black, which is great. Oh, you can't even see it. Look at that. Hold up. I'll give it a better view. So this is how it looks. So let's put this on my table. Stand by. Now this is what I am really, really excited for. Oh my God. Hello, baby. So this is the Stormbreaker from Ponage. Now this is I cannot say the first magnesium gaming mouse because Final Mouse did it already, but the first ergo mouse that used magnesium. So I'm really excited. All right, let's open it up. Oh. Hello, beautiful. Ooh. Holy shit, this thing is light. Holy shit. So, of course, I got it in red. Spoiler alert. You know, it's like spoiler alert. Quick sound test, shall we? Oh my God, no creak, doesn't shake. Ooh, the build quality is amazing. Okay. At the bottom of the mouse, you got the on and on switch, and you got the sensor itself. Now, according to Ponage and research they did, is that they want you to adjust the sensor positioning. So if you don't like it there in the middle, you want a little bit back, you can. You want it to go a little bit in the front, you can just unscrew these and then adjust it. And once you found your position that you want to try out your sensor to be, then you screw it back in, and that's it. For me, I'm going to leave it alone because I don't want to wind up scratching this. It would have been nice that they would put washers there at the bottom. That way it would protect the surface. So I used PTFE feet. I didn't want to go with glass feet. I'm perfectly fine with PTFE feet. Damn, this thing fits like a glove. Man, why do I feel like something's here? Of course. I'm like, yo, that's weird. Okay. Let's see what else it comes in the box. Of course, the USB wireless receiver uses USB Type-C. I'll put that to the side. Also comes with USB Type-A to USB Type-C power cord cable. Also comes with a screw to adjust it. And what else is this here? This is new. Oh, wait a minute. Does it come? Oh, it does. Well, that's a keychain. Hold up. Hold up, wait a minute. User manual. And finally, if you don't like how it feels in your hands, it comes with grip tapes on the side and also on your main mouse as well, on your left click and right click. Now, I want to check what this is. Let's see. Okay. So it is. Of course, a nice little keychain that has a screw. You can use it to unscrew those screws at the bottom to adjust the sensor, which is nice. And let me plug in the mouse and show you guys how it looks. Stand by. Now, everything is set up, ready to go. I am downloading the drivers. I forgot to mention this earlier, so it comes with a lot of color options. They are only limited editions, so of course you see mine's is red. Also, they have an olive. Oh shit.